Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Disconnection Notice. I am your host, Miguel Rasalan, and today is a very special episode because I have in front of me is a friend that I have known since grade 10. However, we were only actually classmates for a single year. The rest of our bond was forged entirely through gaming headsets, especially during lockdown. It's actually crazy because despite only having one physical year in school together, we built a bond so tight it feels like my close friendship with Riley, whom I've known for almost 2 decades now. From surviving late night squad drops to surviving 8-hour shifts on the hospital floor, please welcome my good friend, Ryan.
Hello, hello. I am Ryan Matthew Aquino. I am currently a nurse trainee. So how am I? Well, goods lang, goods pa rin. Kasi nurse trainee pa lang ako. So medyo, yung fatigue that you often see in social media sa nurse, hindi ko pa ramdam yun.
Before we dive into what you're currently doing, let's go back to the past first.
Okay.
I want to ask, how did we become friends?
Medyo blurry na din yun sa akin, yung memory na yun. From what I remember, okay? Out of the iglots, yung group natin, ikaw, Migo, yung nag-interact sa akin. Kasi 'di ba yung nagpapairam dapat tayo ng book 'no, yung kay
Mm-hmm.
Ma'am Bonifacio ata yun, yung class niya.
Okay.
Tapos wala akong dalang book nun Tapos ikaw, yung pinairam mo sa akin yung parang Greek mythology book
Hindi ko na
sa'kin.
maalala to.
Hindi, yun talaga yung yung the most first memorable memory
Okay.
na nag-interact ako sa inyo sa Iglot. Siguro siguro wala pa yung Iglot's name yun, pero
Mm-hmm.
I can see yung friendship na yun. Tapos nagawa na yung Iglots kasi kasama na ako. Yun
Okay.
yun yung member, okey. Next yun yung parang peak natin is yung PUBG. During sa school 'no,
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
kasi I count na how many times na sure ang cellphone natin dahil sa PUBG. Like 'di ba break time nag-PUBG
Oo.
tayo, tapos hindi na yung PUBG kahit nag-start na yung klase. Kaya dun after recess, mostly dun nangyayari yung yung pagka-capture ng cellphone natin. Tapos ayun, I think yung PUBG like 3/4 nung school time natin nun. So yun, tas tuloy-tuloy na yung gaming, umabot
Mm-hmm.
sa pandemic. So yun yung parang memorable sa friendship natin.
Okay, para sa mga who doesn't know
Hmm,
Ryan, si Ryan, demonyo yan sa PUBG. Isa yan sa, kasi di ba sa PUBG, di ba, apat yun sa isang squad. So,
yes,
ako,
yes.
ikaw,
Ikaw, ako, Kyla, tas yung fourth squad member is either Aleli or MJ or
ah,
JJ.
JJ. Oh, ayaw nga pala shoutout kay
Oo,
JJ. Thank you talaga sa password ng school
oo.
Wi-Fi.
Oo, boy. Tapos ayun,
Ah,
parang nag-domino effect na sa
mhm.
buong batch natin na nag-Apple versus Microsoft pa nun
Microsoft.
nangyari.
Class Wars.
Basta oo. Like yung parang PUBG connected us deeper, parang that's what I can describe.
Siyempre, hindi lang PUBG naging demonyo si Ryan. Meron yung game called Apex Mobile. Yun ang talagang ginigilan namin. Yeah? You,
Ah,
me, JJ. Every night, palagi kaming maglalaro.
ah,
At saka, ano talaga, kung grind. Tsaka,
ah.
ikaw yung,
Ako yung usually si Pathfinder, yung parang nagsa-scout ng kalaban kung saan sila. Pero to clarify sa mga friends natin 'no, in terms of skill level, parang equal lang tayo, ako at si Migo. Pero tayo yung dalawa yung pinaka-skilled sa friend group natin. Pero parang in a different sense naman kasi ako yung parang strategic type, yung parang
mhm,
alam ko saan ako magpo-position tapos si Migo yung parang yung gunplay kung yung 'di ba yung recoil 'no, control mo yung recoil
mhm.
mga gano'n. Tapos accurate ka sa mga sniper gano'n o SKS o Kar 98 pa. So yun, pero sa Apex, we played Apex from start to end 'no. Like andun
Mhm.
tayo since first day, ta's andun tayo since its last day.
How do you think that these games strengthen our bond?
Okay, so yun nga 'di ba laro tayo mga gano'n, yung una 'di ba? Yun yung chat lang, yun yung sa chat lang Messenger. Laro tayo, Apex 'di ba Battle Royale ang
Mm.
Apex and PUBG 'no, ayun. So pagka-LAN 'no, tapos in every Battle Royale naman there's a boring part or looting part tapos yung mga labanan na part. Sige, Yung mga boring part na yun, yung parang yung get inside the circle, mga gano'n, yung mga boring part. Yung mga conversations natin yung parang, "Pre, ano nagawa mo na yung assignment sa algebra?" Yun 'no, yung conversation do'n. Tapos biglang biglang na, oh shit, kalaban, 270 sa 270." Grabe, yung mga gano'n nga, eh. There's like a balance between ano, sobrang super exciting part of gameplay, parang the heat is on. Tapos there's some parts na, "Ang boring, anong gagawin natin, mag-usap tayo." Parang gano'n. That's what makes yung parang battle royale ano, like the best game for us to communicate sa
Okay.
pandemic and deepen our friendship.
Okay, sige.
Yun
Now,
talaga.
I want to talk about your present. So,
Yeah.
I'm curious,
Oh,
kasi
yeah.
nagulat ako nung sinabi nila na you're taking nursing. And I had no,
Ah,
parang wala siyang connect sa akin dun na sa naalala ko sa'yo. Is
oo.
nursing something you really wanted or ano lang, wala lang, try mo lang?
Una, 50-50 ako sa whether IT or computer science or nursing. Pero ultimately, nag-decide ako sa nursing. So to answer that, I want to focus on my health kasi. Yung parang if I did take computer science or IT, parang I will never thought of doing exercise or parang get diagnostic tests or pumunta sa high precision, mga ganun. So kung sa nursing, parang I know what to do to keep me healthy and prevent illnesses because I want to live long. But at the same time, I want to live excitingly. I want every day to be a learning experience, parang ganun. And for me to experience the things that make me look forward, I have to be healthy for that. So
Okay,
yun.
so
So yun.
now can you share with us your experience from
Yeah.
being a university student and then to job hunting?
So let's start sa ano, sa college, no? Sa university.
Yeah.
So siyempre ano, like the Ryans ng EDNAS, 'di ba? Parang shy type, kakausapin lang kita kung kinausap mo ako muna. Tapos siguro ano, pretty indecisive din. Basta yung parang submissive personality, if in other words, parang gano'n. So parang to quickly summarize yung college life ko, Ryan is reborn anew sa college. So the new Ryan now is decisive, assertive, I don't care what you think, parang mga gano'n. I don't care what you think naman, pero kung sobrang tagal mo mag-decide, yung parang tinanong kita, "Saan tayo kain?" Kahit saan." Yung sabi mo, "Shit, ano, ako na magde-decide sa'yo na kakain tayo sa 7-Eleven." Gano'n. So yun, that summarizes naman yung college life. Kasi parang I met so many friends that have a stark difference sa friend group natin sa Iglots ng EDNAS, ta's yung friend group ko na sa college. Like, I have a friend na medyo narcissistic, I have a friend na medyo mayabang na parang parang walang mali na mangyayari sa kanya, mga gano'n. Like, it's a new experience to get along with them. Tapos eventually, like, they became my best friends sa college circle. So yun. And then the next, yung sa boards, ano, kasama ko pa rin sila. Yung sinabi kong medyo narcissistic, tas yung mayabang. Tapos ayun, mas yung siguro ano, parang we are on equal level in terms sa knowledge kasi we scored medyo similar scores sa board exam. So I would say that yung parang we are a bit competitive pero I would take it a bit more like relaxed approach. So yun, that's how I kept the competition not too competitive, pero parang yung relax lang. Kung mas mataas ka sa'kin, wala akong pake, parang gano'n. Tapos yung sinabi niya sa'kin yung parang, "Shit, tataasan kita boy." Wala akong pake. Gano'n yung mga friends ko. Pero I like I like having friends like that. Pero siyempre ano, parang there's a balance naman. I like being friends with Iglots, I like being friends with PUBG, tapos I like being friends with so yun. Tapos and then the next, sa job hunt, okey. So yes, tama na sobrang daming nurses dahil sa recent board exams, 'di ba? Yes, that's true, ang hirap pumasok, okey, dahil doon. Pero once na pumasok ka, mare-realize mo din na sobrang daming nagki-quit din. So parang nag-balance naman. Pero sa ngayon, mas madami yung sumasama kaysa nagki-quit. It's like 51% na dumadami, ta's 49% nagki-quit na nurses. So iyon, I got lucky na I got invited by R1MC. But unfortunately, because it is a government hospital, I have to work there for 6 months with no salary because I think it's like probation or it's just a process in their hospital.
What's
Okay,
your
okay.
day-to-day life as a nurse trainee?
Okay, so I treat my day-to-day life as like a daily mission for games. I wake up 4 a.m. It's approximately 15 to 20 minutes ang biyahe from Anolid, Mangaldan to R1MC. So yun, 4 a.m. gising. Tapos 30 minutes game dailies. Tapos ayun, from 7 to 3, yun, trabaho sa nurse. Tapos pagka-uwi, 30 minutes ulit. So example, 3:30 ako umuwi. Tapos exercise ng short lang. Tapos 30 minutes yun. Tapos I have like 3 to 4 hours of free time na. So rinse and repeat yun for Monday to Friday. And then sa Saturday, Sunday, gaming all day to do weekly missions. Yun. Yun yung daily life ko ngayon. Pero
Mm.
pero I don't think na nakakapagod yung ginawa ko. I I never think na I don't want to do this anymore. Parang gano'n. Because yun nga, yung daily mission mindset, parang I must do this to get the reward, parang gano'n. Like example, yung Genshin Impact, I played that for almost 6 years na. I do the daily missions every day for the straight 6 years to get the characters I want. Yun yung mindset that I adopted to my personal life.
Just a bit of a look into the future. What what are your goals in the next 2 to 3 years?
So for my personal plans, okay? I have yung parang meron akong mga side quest na gagawin. Kaya nag-decide ako na magtrabaho muna sa R1MC kahit wala akong salary for the next 6 months. So, madaming side missions na naman yung I set myself upon myself. So, yung example, yung parang I want to get a good physical appearance through exercising. Tapos yung parang dapat maalis na tong braces ko within within the foreseeable future in my stay in the Philippines. Mga ganun. Tapos siguro din yung I want to make memories din with friends habang nasa Philippines kasi nung college ako, yung years, all work, hard work lang. Like parang ganun. Walang time to get together with friends. Gusto ko bawian yun. Yung in the foreseeable future. Tapos sa professional naman, my goal is by 2030, I resigned in 2023 and then I applied for master's in 2030. And then I finished master's degree in 2032. So in 2032, I will go abroad na to advance my nursing career. After that, wala pa akong naisip na plans kasi nursing is a very big career or parang yung madami kang skill tree na that will spread out and I don't know what skills to pick. Sa ngayon, di ko alam anong skills or specializations na kukunin ko. So, I will think about that as the time goes by.
Okay, we're at the last part na. So before we
Okay.
close, I want to
Okay.
ask you, what do
Okay.
you think we need to do to keep our friendship alive?
So, to keep our friendship alive, we should parang siguro video call lang once in a while. We are not the type of friend group na magcha-chat everyday na, "Uy, kamusta yung araw mo ngayon?" 'Di tayo gano'n. Yung yung parang common conception ng friends ngayon, hindi tayo gano'n. Kaya 'di tayo mag-chat everyday, parang I feel like we are close na. We are close naman, okay? So, yun. So, parang we should take the rare opportunity kung makakasama man tayo. Like yung parang gano'n, parang video call or siguro maglibot lang sa dagupan. Yun yung parang rare opportunity that we should take. Of course naman kahit wala tayong gano'n, believe na all of you guys are doing well. So parang pero gano'n naman yung inisip ko. Pero if you guys have problem, parang I hope we will help each other naman. I'm always ready then, gano'n.
Thank you, Ryan, for coming. I appreciate that you give me this opportunity. Also, if you'd
Yes,
like
yes.
to make a shout out to anyone.
Siguro shout out kay JJ siguro. Kasi alam kong nagtatrabaho na din. We are the PRC buddies. Siguro the future PRC buddy namin si Juber Mark. Juber Mark din. Yung gusto ko din i-shout out. Siyempre, medyo naging active na siya sa chat natin for the past 5 or 6 years na hindi siya nagchat. So, tuwing yung topic about sa kanya magcha-chat siya, mga gano'n. Yun nga, yung bagong development kay Jover Mark, which I am excited about.
Thank you for watching this connection notice. See you next week for the next episode. Bye.